Hey, how's it going, man?
Oh, pretty good.
New guy here?
Yeah, started about a week ago.
What's your name?
Emmett.
Troy. Have you ever had a Cornwall truck before?
Yeah, I have a previous account.
Copy that.
I know how expensive and shitty you guys are.
Interesting.
You know. But I'm always looking to upgrade tools. Oh, that's a nice ratchet. How much is this ratchet?
That ratchet right there is $309.
God damn, I buy that fucker on Amazon for $25. Gear wrench, you know, they sell shit a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
You guys need to be competitive.
We used to sell gear wrench, but we have our online.
Oh. Well. You got anything for free? Like park screwdrivers, hats, t-shirts?
Yeah, for paying customers.
Alright, well I got a tool you got more. Yeah, here's that tool.
Oh, this is gear wrench.
Well, it's the same thing.
No, we have our own line of ratchet wrenches.
Cheap ass motherfuckers.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Hey, how's it going?
New guy here?
Yeah, I just started about a week ago.
Nice to meet you. My name's Troy.
Hammond.
Nice to meet you.
How long you been coming here?
Just about 2 years.
A couple years now?
Couple years.
Alright, so you've been established. I had a Cornwall guy at my last place. I do have a couple things to warranty, but I'll have to take them out, so don't worry about it right now.
Copy that. Just let me know. I'll take care of you.
Anything on sale or anything?
Yes, so on my truck, everything on this wall is going to be always on sale. There's sales throughout the rest of the truck, but I'll shuffle the stuff that hasn't sold to the back. It'll still be a sale price, so if I got it for a good price.
How much these guys? How much is this guy?
So this one is $149 by itself, but in the flyer right now, you get the small one straight and the long one for $149. Those two are free.
Right on. Is it alright if I catch you next week if I pick these up?
Yes, sir.
I'll take these, but I do have one wrench I need to take care of.
Copy that.
Be right back.
Yes, sir.
Here's that wrench.
Perfect.
If you can get that to me, you got one in stock maybe?
Yes, sir.
Warranty out?
Yes, sir.
All right on. So yeah, I'll take these guys.
Perfect.
Give me that handled, and then
We'll swap it out. I'll take care of the broken one, and that's the new one.
All righty. And like I said, I'll catch you next week on those.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.